Who developed the canons of cataloging? S.R. Ranganathan. How many fundamental canons did Ranganathan formulate for cataloging? That is 9. Which canon relate to the uniformity of the heading? Canon of uniformity. Canon of ascertainability means the entire must be verifiable from the document itself. The canon of relevance is concerned with the selecting only necessary information. Canon of prepotence deal with the choice among multiple contributors. Which canon ensure that cataloging rules are applied consistently? That is canon of consistency. The canon of sought heading refers to the using headings most likely sought by users. Canon of content relate to the inclusion of appropriate data in the entries. Canon of currency ensures use of the most recent heading or name. Which canon help determine the form of a heading? Canon of sought heading. Canon of accuracy means entire must reflect the document exactly without error. In cataloging, the canon of independence is related to the entries that can stand alone and make sense. The canon of context related to understanding the meaning of entries within the full record. Canon of fidelity refers to the truthful representation of the document, which is not a canon of cataloging, that is, canon of coverage, which canon is particularly relevant for the cooperative cataloging, that is, canon of uniformity. Canon of location is related to the arrangement of entries in catalog, which principle emphasizes that catalog entries should be based on the actual document, that is principle of objectivity. The canon of local variation allows libraries to adapt headings to local needs, which canon encourage the use of user-friendly heading, that is canon of sought heading. Canon of content is used in selection of subject heading, bibliographic description, and formulation of access points. Canon of recall is designed to avoid missing relevant entries, which canon ensures entries are placed in expected position in the catalog, that is canon of location. Canon of currency focus on latest subject headings. Which canon is most important in shared cataloging system? That is canon of uniformity. Canon of choice guides the selection of entry elements. Which canon is violated if a catalog entry is based on the external assumptions rather than the item? That is canon of ascertainability. Ranganathan's canon of cataloging primarily apply to cataloging practice. Which principles support the use of consistent formats across different catalog entries? That is canon of consistency. Canon of collection refers to the keeping similar items together. The principle of parsimony in cataloging suggests use fewer entries without affecting access. Canon of exhaustiveness ensures comprehensive catalog entries. Canon of context is violated when entry is unrelated to the catalog structure. Which principle emphasizes the user's perspective in accessing materials? That is canon of sought heading. Who emphasizes that cataloging should be governed by the canons and postulates? That is Ranganathan. Principle of user convenience correspondence with canon of sought heading, which canon support keyword based access in OPEC, that is canon of recall. Canon of efficiency emphasizes effective information retrieval. Canon of canonical form encourages established and standardized formats of the heading. Which canon ensures accurate and truthful bibliographic description? That is canon of fieldability. Which canon ensure the user will locate the entry where expected? That is canon of location. Canon of direct entry suggests entries should begin with a definite search term. Canon of symmetry related to the parallel structure of the entries. Which canon deal with the predictability of catalog entries? That is canon of location. Which canon support author entry even if the work is anonymous? That is canon of prepotence. Canon of simplicity promotes simple and understandable catalog structure. The canon that suggests removing unnecessary details is canon of relevance. Which canon promote ease of navigation within the catalog, that is canon of location. Which principle aligns closely with Ferber user tasks, canon of south heading. Which principle ensures the catalog reflects the actual publication, canon of fidelity. A canon of terminological consistency ensures uniform word uses in the headings. The canon of common practice encourages use of generally accepted norms and the convention. Which canon allows contextual adjustment in cataloging rules? Canon of local variation. Canon of common uses focus on using terms familiar to the users. Canon of linkage deal with the associating related entries. Canon of formatting promotes standard entry presentation. Canon of integration refers to the coordination between cataloging and classification. Canon of language accessibility promotes use of users preferred language. Canon of sufficiency means entry must contain enough detail for identification.